Hello and welcome to another episode of CUET General Knowledge. Let's begin. Who was the first woman to serve as the United States Supreme Court judge? Sandra Day O'Connor, Ruth Bader Ginsburg, Sonia Sotomayor, or Elena Kagan? The correct answer is option A, Sandra Day O'Connor. Sandra Day O'Connor was the first woman appointed to the US Supreme Court in 1981 by President Ronald Reagan. Next, the Paleolithic Age is also known as which period? Bronze Age, Stone Age, Iron Age, or Medieval period? The correct answer is option B, Stone Age. The Paleolithic Age, also known as the Stone Age, is the earliest period of human history characterized by the use of stone tools. Next, the Claremont is associated with which landmark event in history? The first commercial steamship, the first manned spaceflight, the first electric car, or the first train? The correct answer is option A, the first commercial steamship. The Claremont, built by Robert Fulton, was the first commercially successful steamboat, launching in 1807 on the Hudson River. Next, the Battle of Stalingrad during World War II occurred in which year? 1941, 1944, 1943, or 1942? The correct answer is option D, 1942. The Battle of Stalingrad began in 1942 and lasted until early 1943, marking a turning point in World War II with the defeat of Nazi Germany. Next, which ancient civilization is known for the development of cuneiform writing? Ancient Egypt, Ancient Greece, Ancient Mesopotamia, or Ancient India? The correct answer is option C, Ancient Mesopotamia. Cuneiform, one of the earliest systems of writing, was developed in ancient Mesopotamia, modern-day Iraq. Next, which law states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, only converted from one form to another? Newton's first law, law of conservation of energy, law of universal gravitation, or law of entropy? The correct answer is option B, law of conservation of energy. The law of conservation of energy states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, but only transformed from one form to another. Next, the Great Depression of the 1930s is often attributed to which event? The Wall Street crash of 1929, the start of World War I, the signing of the Treaty of Versailles, or the Dust Bowl? The correct answer is option A, the Wall Street crash of 1929. The Wall Street crash of 1929 is widely considered the trigger for the Great Depression, which affected economies worldwide. Next, which country has the longest coastline in the world? Canada, Russia, United States, or Australia? The correct answer is option A, Canada. Canada has the longest coastline in the world, stretching over 202,080 kilometers. Next, who developed the theory of conditioned reflex? Carl Jung, Sigmund Freud, Ivan Pavlov, or B.F. Skinner? The correct answer is option C, Ivan Pavlov. Ivan Pavlov developed the theory of conditioned reflex after his famous experiments with dogs, demonstrating the concept of classical conditioning. Next, the Alhambra is a famous historical palace located in which country? France, Greece, Italy, or Spain? The correct answer is option D, Spain. The Alhambra is a stunning Moorish palace located in Granada, Spain, and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Now it's time for the practice question. The first woman to win a Nobel Prize in Economics was Amartya Sen, Elinor Ostrom, Janet Yellen, or Esther Duflo? Send the correct answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.